Hey guys, hope you're doing great. My name is Maxim, and here is the project that I would like to introduce you to. I want to build it publicly here on YouTube as well as open source, also code on GitHub so that you can follow along and hopefully learn something new. It will be a full stack end-to-end project that I will build from scratch right with you. And here is the project. It's called Medical Card, and the problems that I would like to solve with it is basically centralization of medical data from the client side. Most people, especially in Europe, are switching the doctors or labs from time to time. So there exists a dissonance of medical data from different sources that you simply cannot keep up with. A lot of people, including my mom, are still keeping their health data in paper notebooks that are very easy to lose, as you may know. Internally, all hospitals have a specific health portal that they use to pass information from one doctor to another, even if they are from different hospitals. But such a solution is just not available to be seen from the patient side, and it's limited to a certain country. So if you are traveling or switching your citizenship, then it's a no-go. Now the goal in bullet points is to centralize the data from different medical sources to make it easily explainable for people which metrics mean what. If they have any questions, they can ask it. To make clear comparisons over time, identify trends, make the data accessible in various languages, and make data accessible through an API. The why? To minimize the time both for patients and doctors in simple cases, to bring self-awareness to people and give them a third perspective of their health situations that can differ from what their doc is saying, to support data in various languages for people who travel a lot, and to prepare the world for AI doctors by gathering medical data in one place and making it accessible through a well-structured API. And here you can see the tech stacks that I will be using. I will have Next.js as a frontend, Python for the backend, Clerk as authentication, Supabase for database, Grok Llama 370B will be everything that is related to LLMs for text, LangChain and LangGraph as agent frameworks, Agent Ops for agent tracking, GPT for vision for text recognition from scan, Docker for containerization, and AWS for the hosting. I will be not losing more time here. I want to just dive in the actual structures that I have for you. Here is the high-level overview. And there will be a login that will be basically email and your hospital account. But first of all, I want to start with email. It will be also scanning the papers if you have it in the paper format, and you can add your family members to a family account. So right now, from the early on, I would like to focus on just the records of the blood tests. I won't be touching any other piece of medical data, and first try to solve it with simple blood tests, and we can grow from there. So basically, the emails will be scraped, and all the relevant blood test information that is accessible there will be fetched and put in the database under your account. Then data will be processed and cleaned, prepared to work with it. There will be custom dashboards based on the data gathered. So basically, for every single parameter, you will see clear comparisons over time. So if you have on your email results of blood tests from 10 years ago, we will fetch all of them and basically build up this progression of how your health has improved, or maybe that it has gone worse, so that you can see clear comparisons over time for each and single metric. Then there will be this tendential analysis, as I just said you. It will be AI summaries and explanations. So for each and every dashboard, you will have explanation of what it means, and you can also ask questions in a simple, in a small chatbot that will be with a model that is trained on blood test data to answer you and explain you which metrics, which what, and what you need to pay attention to. There will be small recommendations. There are no medical recommendations, no prescriptions, just what you need to pay attention to, what is out of the normal range, which parameters are out of the normal range, and when you need to go to the doctor if you need even. And data translations in any possible language that you would like to. So right now, here is a simple backend structure. There will be login and detailed onboarding. Then there will be we will search for the relevant emails based on the keywords and put all this email data in the database. Then an AI agent will go and double check the relevance of this information and extract all the parameters from these emails. Then these parameters will be put in an SQL database. The AI agent will go clean and pre-process it based on your specific case. Make it in the best shape and form to work with it. Then the charts will be created out of this data for each and single parameter. For example, hemoglobin. You will have your chart comparison over time. Then there will be also a vector database that will be performing a RAG function with, and will be drawing summaries for each and every dashboard that you will be getting. There will be also a global summary for all the metrics and your overall health condition. And of course, as I already mentioned, a chatbot, basically an explainer that you can ask any single question based on your analysis data, and he will explain you which metric means what, and answer all your questions. Right, I just want to show you how it all looks right now. Here is exactly the landing page, and I already implemented the clerk authentication. I really like it, and I will be showing you how you can do pretty much the same. And let me try a different one. Yes, exactly. And here is also basically it all appears in the database, you can see, and I will be showing you in the next following video exactly how you can implement the clerk authentication and link it up to your database, how you can get the all authentication for each and every user that you are having. Yeah, exactly. And I want to build this project, as I said, from end to end here on YouTube. So I will be also sharing the code open source here on GitHub. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can follow along. Yes, and all the following videos, they will be more hands-on experience with coding. I will be showing different struggles that I had during the development of this application, and will be just explaining you how you can do exactly the same step by step. Yes, you can await from me like a new video every 3 to 4 days. I will try to come up with a new video explaining you new features and my progress. On GitHub, you can be expecting me to update it pretty much daily, and on my Twitter account, I will be also posting daily updates on what I coded exactly today. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit this like button and subscribe. You can repost and share it to your friends. And yes, hope to see you in the next videos. Bye bye, guys.